Hello, anyone here? Hello.
Yeah, I am here. What's up? Why are you here for?
I saw the toilet board on your house, and I want to uh, take a room for me and my family.
So there are lot of vacant flat presence here. So how many family members are there, or are you alone?
Um, there are four family members: me, my wife, and two children. So, can you uh, show me a room for it?
I can show you a room, but can you tell me, is there any elder person in your family? Because if there is anyone, I can give you the first floor. Otherwise, I will give you the third floor.
No, we can go with the third floor because there is no elder person in our house.
Okay,
My
that's
family.
good because the third floor will be a bit cooler for you. So we have reached here, and this is the main hall, and adjacent to it there is a kitchen, and three bedrooms are attached to the main hall, with a bathroom in each of the bedrooms. So are you okay with it?
Yeah, that's a pretty good interior, and that's the flat that I want for me and my family. And also, the floor is made up of marbles. That's the thing I like the most. And so, but I have to pay for this.
So let's first talk about the interior. So we have designed it from a specified designer, and it is quite lot of expense. It is quite expensive to make it, and the quality of the interior is quite good. So you can go with it. And if you are talking about the rent is decided on the basis of the marketplace and the location of this place. So it is around 23,000.
23,000 is too much for me. I can't afford it. Please reduce the price.
If you are saying that, then what are you expecting?
My expecting price is 15,000.
No, I can't go with 15,000. I can go a bit lower, around 20,000.
20,000 is also a bit higher for me. Can you lower the price a bit more?
Okay. Then one last price I can go with, and you have to take it or leave it. It is around 19,000. Is it okay?
Yeah, that's okay with me. 19,000 will be good. So, when I have to come here?
You can come anytime, but you have to pay the money in advance because I have to book it for you.
Yeah,
So around 10,000 you have to pay in advance now.
yeah, okay. I'll give you 10,000. So, um, I will pay the rent 10,000 to you now by online method. And bye. I will you come here tomorrow.
Okay, you can shift anytime, whenever you want. Bye.
Bye.